Ever been in the US with your Canadian TD card and wondered if there's a better way to handle your money? A lot of people ask, does TD have a US dollar debit card? The short answer is yes, but it's not the same as a Canadian debit card that just happens to work in the US. TD offers a specific US dollar bank account that comes with its own debit card. This is part of their cross-border banking solutions, designed for Canadians who frequently travel, work, or shop in the United States. So, why would you want a US debit card? The main reason is to avoid foreign exchange fees. When you use your regular Canadian debit or credit card in the US, you're hit with a conversion fee on every single purchase. It might not seem like much on a single coffee, but it adds up fast on bigger purchases or frequent trips. A US debit card from TD lets you spend US dollars directly from your US dollar account, with no conversion fees. Another big advantage is the convenience. You can easily manage both your Canadian and US accounts from the same TD app or through EasyWeb online banking. This makes it super simple to transfer funds between them. Need to send money to your US account? Just a few taps, and it's done. So, how do you get one? You'll need to open a US-based checking account with TD Bank, America's most convenient bank. Canadians can do this through TD Canada Trust as part of their cross-border services. They have a couple of different account options, like the Borderless Plan or the US Daily Interest Checking Account. Both accounts come with a Visa debit card. This card works just like a debit card in the US, but it also has Visa's global acceptance. This means you can use it for online purchases and at any store that accepts Visa, both in the US and internationally. To get started, you can book an appointment with a TD specialist or visit a branch. They'll walk you through the options and help you choose the right account for your needs. It's a great way to streamline your finances and save money on your cross-border spending.